Hey, what's up guys? So it rained yesterday and today. We were gonna take the Mustang to the track now that we got the supercharger on and we got the slicks and skinnies, but we got rained out. So what we're gonna do today is we are going to put White Claw in the motor of my Nissan Xterra. All right, this thing is a beast. It's four-wheel drive. I bought it for 500 bucks. It's manual, it works great. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna drain the oil. But before I do that, I want to just start it up so you guys can hear it, see what a beast it is. It's got low miles, like really low miles. I kind of feel bad for doing it because this is such a nice vehicle. Only 184,000, but it's nice. So you can see it's manual, it's four-wheel drive. All right, come around here, let me show you what we got going on. So Nissan Xterra, I got the oil all drained out. Now what we're gonna do, put the Big Daddy claws in there. You mind popping the hood again? Because I just close it. So White Claws are really good. I like drinking them because I could drink them and I don't feel hungover the next day, and I'm getting old, so they're nice for me. But we'll see if the Xterra likes them. Where's the fill on here? All right, come on in here close. Oh, that thing's tight. All right, so we got the oil cap off. Now we're gonna start pouring these claws in this beast.
How much oil does this thing take?
It takes like, I don't know, like 8 or 12 cans. You can see.
I thought you didn't want to use that.
Oh, that's a bike. That's one down. I'm gonna save the black cherries because that's personally my favorite. Number 2. Gotta get a good, good pour on there. Number 3. What do you guys think? You think it's gonna run on the White Claw, or you think it's gonna blow up?
Yeah, I bet this thing runs for a while.
What do you think, Wesley?
I think the worst comes to worst, she might get a little knock, but
Nah, dude, these motors are bulletproof.
I don't think it's gonna blow up. It'll be good to go.
Oh, raspberry. I haven't tried that one.
Unless it's oil change, but if you just put it in here and let it run for a little bit, it should be fine.
Back up a little bit.
Smells like it's deadly out there.
For real, I think the same thing.
You gotta check your oil level.
Yeah. You start recording on the GoPro?
Make sure you have enough
Alright guys,
balls in there.
so what we're going to do now is we're going to check the oil level. I've never checked the oil on this ever, so we'll see. Oh, you mind grabbing me a towel? So right now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 White Claws in there. I checked the owner's manual. I don't know if it takes 7 White Claws. I don't know you know how many quarts that is. They're 12 ounces each. I don't know, I can't do all that math right now. But you see right here, this is about how much oil came out of it. So hopefully we have that much White Claw in there. Oh boy, bleeding on anything?
No, that's silicone.
Alright, get in closer. I'm gonna check the oil real quick. Oh, that's a cool little dipstick. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it off. And you can see the level right there. Is it focused? So I wiped it off. Let's see what it looks like now. It still kind of looks like oil, a little mixed with White Claw.
You're not gonna get all the oil out.
Can't get all the oil out. So what I'm gonna do now is just give it a start up. And baby, if you just want to focus on the engine bay.
Oh, cap, so we don't be
Cap back on?
throwing some claws out the
Yeah.
valve cover.
All Alright, I'm gonna start her up. Might be a little low, so we're gonna crack this. Alright guys, safety first. Safety first, I got my seatbelt on.
Yep.
Sounding pretty good still.
Yeah, it sounded pretty good. So, actually we just took it out last night, so we should know exactly how it should run. So now we can kind of gauge the difference, if there is one. I mean, we know she bogs deep.
Alright, let's try it
That's about
out.
all we know.
Let's try it out.
I would show you the rear view mirror, but you can't see fucking any of that.
They're running pretty good with the white
So
claw.
got some power.
Let me go ahead and turn down here.
I don't think we really have any gauges to tell oil pressure or anything of that sort.
I don't. Alright, we're gonna check it out here, see if it'll still do a nice Bernie.
Yeah, let me get out real quick.
It's our little
and,
burnout spot right here.
Check it out. I mean, let's see if she's still got the mean wheel hop she always had.
We'll try her out.
Alright, let's check it out. You want to see if you can flip it around right here? Yeah, nice little whop. Alright, so
So she's still running good for running on the claw.
what I've noticed from being on the outside is it definitely has a smell to it.
Does it smell nice and sweet? It kind of smells like it's burning something.
Yeah, it smells like kind of like burnt oil, which is probably the oil that's left.
Oh, I hear some rattling. I think she might be knocking, dude.
It definitely smells burning a little bit.
Can we make it home? Sounds like it might be knocking. Sounds weird. No lift shift right there.
Yeah. You know, we're just trying to test the theory. All the exterior groups, forums, all say these things are bulletproof, so We're actually trying to put that to the test for real.
Oh, I had the e-brake on the whole time.
Oh, well, she still worked good. Alright, so I said we just pop the hood and check it and see if we can spot anything. I mean,
So that proves it, guys. Will your vehicle run on White Claw? And the answer is yes. And will you run on White Claw? That's up to you. This isn't a sponsored video. I just like the product. This is an awesome beast of a car.
still runs good.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the content.